Hi, hello, welcome to my channel Max My Heartbeat. First of all, I wish you all a very happy Friendship Day. And so, today, let us discuss integrals of irrational functions, and we are in our type 2, that is quadratic under root linear. When we see any question in this type, then how to solve this type of problems, that we will see in our today's class. Shall we start? Okay, so let's get started. So whenever we see any question of the type quadratic under root linear, okay, quadratic under root linear, any question is there of this type, then how to solve this type of questions? Means, for suppose if I take general, then this will be like this: ax square plus bx plus c into under root of px plus q, something like this. Okay, so this is our general example. So whatever the linear function is there in the square root part, that is the irrational function is there, that function we have to take as t square. So px plus q is equal to t square, we have to take, let substitute, and then we have to proceed. Understood? So whenever we see any question of the type quadratic under root linear, then we have to take that linear function, substitute as px, that whatever the linear function is there, that we have to assume as t square, and then we have to continue. Understood? So let us understand this in detail with an example now. Okay, 1 by x square plus 5x plus 6 under root of x plus 1 dx. Okay, so this is our example. Now we need to solve this example. So whatever the linear function is there, irrational linear function, that we have to take as t square. So x plus 1 is equal to t square. So if we differentiate x plus 1, then we will get dx is equal to 2t dt. So I am substituting in the place of dx 2t dt. So this is equal to integral of 2t dt by x square. So this implies x is equal to t square minus 1. So that is equal to t square minus 1 whole square plus 5 into, in the place of x, again t square minus 1 plus 6, okay, into, again root of x plus 1 is t. So t gets cancelled. Okay, so I am left with, this is equal to integral 2 dt by, now we have to open the brackets and simplify this. So a minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square, right? So t square whole square means t power 4 minus 2 into a into b. So 2 into t square into 1 is 2t square. Okay, plus 1 square is 1. So again plus 5 into t square, 5t square minus 5 plus 6. Okay, so this is our leftover problem. So here this side I will write this one is equal to t square, dx is equal to 2t dt. So this implies x is equal to t square minus 1. Okay, so now let us continue the problem. This is equal to integral 2 dt by so t power 4 as it is, okay, minus 2t square plus 5t square is plus 3t square. Okay, so plus 7 minus 5 is plus 2. Okay, so let us take 2 outside, integral dt by, so t power 4 plus 3t square plus 2, we have to make it as factors. So I can write it as t power 4 plus 2t square plus t square plus 2. Okay, so that is equal to 2 integral of dt by, so in between these two I am taking t square as common. So t square into, if I take t square outside, then I am left with t square, right? T square plus 2 plus 1 into t square plus 2. This is how we have to split the factors. Okay. So now let us continue from here, this side. Okay. So that is equal to 2 outside integral dt by, so first you take whatever the common is there, that one. So t square plus 2 into t square plus 1. Okay. So this is equal to, so now either we can do partial fractions method or we can do some shortcut method. So let us do by shortcut method, very easy, listen. So here integral dt means is nothing but 1 dt, right? So now let us write that one like that only, 1 dt by t square plus 2 into t square plus 1. Up to here everybody understood? Okay. Next, so that is equal to 2 integral. So what I will do means, I will write like this. See here, t square plus 2 minus of t square plus 1. Can I write? See here, t square minus t square gets cancelled. 2 minus 1, 1. That remains, right? So I can write like that, no? Divided by t square plus 2 into t square plus 1. This is what I wanted to do. Understood everybody? Now let us split and find the final answer. Okay? So this is equal to 2 outside integral. So let us split this now. So t square by t square plus 2, t square plus 2 gets cancelled. What means here? 1 by t square plus 1 minus 1 by t square plus 2 whole dt. Right? So this is equal to 2 outside integral 1 by t square plus 1 dt minus integral 1 by t square plus 2 dt. Okay. So now this is equal to 2 times of 1 by 1 plus x square is tan inverse x, right? So 2 tan inverse t minus, okay. So 1 by x square plus a square. So here this I can write as root 2 whole square, right? So 1 by x square plus a square is 1 by 2a. So 1 by 2 root 2. Tan inverse of x by a means t by root 2 plus c. So now let us substitute the value of t. So 2 tan inverse of t value is x square, root of x square plus 1, right? So tan inverse of root of x square x plus 1 minus, now if I take 2 into 2 here, 2 gets cancelled, 1 by root 2 tan inverse of root of x plus 1 by root 2 plus c. This is my answer. Understood everybody? So this is how we have to do when we see quadratic under root linear type in irrational functions. Okay? I hope everybody understood this example. So practice this type of examples if any are there in your books, so that you can be perfect in doing type 2 also. So that's all for today. I hope everyone understood this problem, and watch all my videos so that you can understand all problems perfectly. That's all for today. Take care. Bye.